हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। आज कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 63 हाई स्कूल ग्रामर रेन एंड मार्टिन बुक और टॉपिक है पोजीशन ऑफ एडवर्ब्स। यहाँ है इंसर्ट द गिवन एडवर्ब्स और एडवर्ब फ्रेजेस इन द नॉर्मल पोजीशन। ही इनवाइटेड मी टू विजिट हिम। ब्रैकेट में वर्ड है ऑफन, तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, ही ऑफन इनवाइटेड मी टू विजिट हिम। दूसरा है I am determined to yield this point. वर्ड यूज करना है never. I am determined never to yield this point. He know the answer already. Already कहाँ आएगा? Sorry, I know the answer already. I already know the answer. We have seen her just in the square. तो इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? We have just seen her in the square. I have to reach the office by 9:30 usually. I usually have to reach the office by 9:30. Will he be there still? Will he still be there? I shall meet you this evening in the park. I shall meet you in the park this evening. The train has left. Word use करना है just. The train has just left. Can you park your car near the shops? Yes, I can. Usually. आंसर क्या होगा? Can you park your car near the shops? Yes, I usually can. You have to check your oil before starting. Word is always. You always have to check your oil before starting. He is in time for meals. Never. He is never in time for meals. We should come here one morning. कैसे लिखेंगे? We should come here one morning. He has recovered from his illness. Quite. He has quite recovered from his illness. He goes to the cinema. Seldom. He seldom goes to the cinema. That is not good enough. That is not good enough. You must say such a thing. Never and again. You must never say such a thing again. Suresh arrives always at 9 o'clock at the office. Suresh always arrives at the office at 9 o'clock. He played the violin last night brilliantly in the concert. He played the violin brilliantly in the concert last night. तो ये जो आपको एडवर्ब्स दिए हैं, इनकी क्या पोजीशनिंग होनी चाहिए वो आपको इस एक्सरसाइज में बताया गया है। टाइप करिए ASA एजुकेशन। देखते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज।